Anyhow, this is my May Nature Box thing. So I'm going to show you what I have in here. Well, first, so yeah, first glance, I have this little Spring & Sprung Timber Snacks, the spring issue, and it shows me some things. So yeah, so with this, I got the double berry fruit peels, the coconut cashews, California peaches, and 2 of the dark ones because these are really good and I like them. So 2 of those. So I'm gonna open each one, but these dark coconut num-nums, because I know they're actually oatmeal cookies that are dark chocolate oatmeal cookies. Sorry, my voice sounds weird. I don't know what's going on, but I already know these are good. So, and I know these are really good, so I'll keep those. I'm not gonna open these yet, but these 3 are my favorite. I never actually tried these, so I was gonna try one each. So, yeah. So if you hold on a second, I'm gonna flip my phone. I'm gonna dark for a second. So I'm gonna open these packages. There. So first I open these packages, the dried California peaches. Well, they're dried, so it's kind of like a peach that's dried. Try it. I think they're kind of hard to eat, chewy. They kind of taste weird, so I don't know. Of course, I'll finish them since I'm here, but I don't think I'll probably get the pineapple ones instead. Now these, I don't know what they are, but these. There's oven in this one. So they're in this little package. It's double berry fruit peels. They're like fruit, raspberry, wild berries together in the fruit peel. Kind of like what that looks like. and they're really good. Chewy, fruity, tangy. Yep. So yeah, sorry about my box being, this haul being kind of crazy, because yeah, so there's 5 each, and stuff like that. So I'll talk to you. Bye.